Hey you guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the sound. That's it. It's not too complicated, but you don't want to forget it. There are a couple of words where the H is silent, but most of the time when you see an H, you gotta pronounce it. Okay? So, let's see how to pronounce this word. You ready? Here we go. All we're gonna do for this word is open our mouth and blow some air out. So it's pretty simple. If you want to make sure that you're saying the sound correctly, you can get a piece of paper, for example. I ripped this one out of my notebook, and you can just put it in front of your mouth and say, and you can even do that for the words that we're going to practice. For example, if you say hit, or heat, or house, you'll be able to see the paper move. If you don't have paper, if you have a tablet, for example, you can see if you make some fog on the screen. For example, hi, hello. You can see a little bit of fog on the screen. So the sound isn't too difficult, but you want to remember to use it with a mouth shape of the next sound, right? For example, if you say huge, your mouth is already ready to say huge, but you just blow the air out. Huge, right? Or if you're gonna say hit, you're ready to say it, but you blow the air out. Hit. All right. And that's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. You ready to practice? Here we go. Repeat after me. Hello, home, help, huge, nice, ahead, behind, grasshopper. Awesome. Now let's practice with a couple of sentences. You ready? Read this sentence, say it out loud, and then listen to how I say it. Here we go. He helped at home. Same thing with this one. Read it and then listen to how I say it. Her happy husband hugged her. And that's it. That's the sound. Remember to practice as much as possible, and remember to say the sounds slowly until they're easier to say. All right? If this video was helpful, remember to give it a like and follow the channel for more pronunciation practice. Keep on learning, keep on practicing.